have to tell you.
The news is that there is a train coming to town, and today it is a very handsome train. His name
is Thomas the Choo-Choo Train.
Yes, and also we have some other trains here that are not going to be pulling it. They are just going to watch. Okay. They are just walking around.
Yeah, to Kara, what would you like to say?
A sunny day today.
It's a beautiful sunny day for our train to pull. Here's our train. Here's Lady and oh my goodness, Harold's not flying.
Harold!
Oh my goodness, Harold's not flying.
Here he is.
What else?
This is Lady, that's Harold.
Oh, Cranky and the boat guy.
This is this car dude.
The boat man that looks like an old man. But
This is our car dude. We don't know his name. We just call him the car dude.
yeah, this is Caroline. Over here's Caroline.
Over here is Cranky.
I already said that.
He gives the train stuff to take, and then over here this is boat guy, and this is the field flower. This is field flower, and this is field flower. Caroline.
Oh,
We
here's
have a bunch of
Carmen.
loops over here.
Yes, who has so many?
This is Percy. Oh, that's a giant monster.
What buildings these are?
This is Percy.
This is a house.
Not yet.
And if you're wondering what buildings they are, this is a regular house. This is a general store. That is a house. And this is a church.
This is Rosie.
Not a house.
She will be joining us today right here.
All aboard. Aboard. This is the Stoltzfus train. The people who made this train are named. People who made this train are named. Maria, Daddio, Tori, and Kara. The one pulling it, the one pulling it is Thomas the Choo-Choo Train. All aboard! Wait!
Get out of our track!
Wait! I thought that was it, not that.
Hi, Rosie. Hey, Percy.
Hi, Percy. He's down here somewhere. If you can't see her or him or whatever it is, then you may not be interested, but hi, Harold. Hi, Harold.
Toby, don't you want to be in the video?
The giant monster.
Hey, where are we going?
We are now going.
Okay.
Good.
Say it again.
We are going to the pinkish, purplish, bluish tunnel, but it's mostly purple. receiving the rocket.
All aboard!
I guess we're going home. All aboard! Into the mostly purple tunnel again. Sheesh. I'm sorry about that part.
Hi! So good to see you! Howie! So great to see you!
Alright, that's our train for
Thanks for
2013.
joining us!